Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Data Engineer. So today we will solve some two SQL problem which was asked on epam system interview questions for data engineering. So the questions were not much hard. We'll see that was based on join and some ranking function. So we will see that. Okay. So the first questions was you have the following three table. So they have asked like you have given the three table. One is employee. They have a schema like employee ID, first name, last name, department ID, and salary. Where employee ID is the primary key and department ID is the foreign key for this table. Then again we have the department, where department ID is the primary key, department name and locations are there. And apart from there was a third table called project. So where the project ID is the primary key, department name, project department ID and budget. So again department is the foreign key and project is the primary key for this project table. So we have three table. Each table have primary key and foreign key defined for referential integrity and for joining of this table. Okay. So the ask was write a SQL query to find the department that have project with budget greater than $50,000. So they wanted to write a query to find the department. So first we need to find the department ID where budget is greater than 50,000 and where, so under that department average salary of employee of that department is greater than $70,000. So this two was the ask. Okay. So in single query they ask first to find the project with a budget greater than $50,000. So first what we have to do, we have to find the department. Under this department we have to find the budget. If budget is greater than 50,000, then we have to find the average salary of employee in those department which salary is greater than $70,000. So that is bit straightforward. So what we have to do, first we have to select the department. Okay, so select the department name, we have to main alias. So under the department we have to find the average salary as average salary and sum of budget as a budget. Okay, p dot budget as a total budget. So we find these two things. Under that we have to find the budget greater than $50,000 and average salary and average salary. So these two things we have to find. So we have already find it. From which table? From department D dot employee. So from department D and employee, on which basis? So in department, if you'll see, we have the primary key as a department ID and same we are referencing as a prime employee as a foreign key, employee in employee table as a department as a foreign key. So we will do the joining on department ID and then again we will do the department on projects. Okay, because we have to find again. So for based on department ID we have to find the budget. Okay, because we wanted the budget to be more than 50,000. So we already calculated the average salary, sum of budget, then we have done the joining operation on department with employee on basis of department ID and again with the basis of department ID with the help with the project. Okay, then what was the conditions? Filter conditions was the budget greater than $50,000. So what we will do, where p dot budget is greater than $50,000, group by department ID and department name, because we wanted department ID and we wanted the average salary and total budget of the project same department. Sort the result by average salary in descending order. This includes the department and average salary. So we are doing the grouping of department ID and department name and then having, then we'll use having the average salary should be greater than 70,000, order by average salary decreasing. So we wanted that sort the result by average salary in decreasing order. So that's why we have done that average salary decreasing. So that is with the straightforward. We have to go by state, like we have to go statement by statement and then whatever the required we can fetch that and then we can do that operations. Okay, then the second question they asked on the basis of like window function. Okay, so what they wanted, they given a sales table and they said the sales ID is a primary key, then sales date, amount and employee ID. So the ask was write a SQL query to find each employee total sales. So first there is a department. So each department, suppose there is a 5 employee. So what we have to do? So we wanted the each employee total sales. So for employee one there is a total sales is 100. For employee two 200, something like this. For each employee we have to find the total sales and then rank based on the total sales. So in suppose there is a one department and there are 5 employee. So the employee who have done more sales, that have the ranking as a first, okay, and then ranking based on the total sales within the entire data set. So that data set we have to, so that rank that basically window we have to find the total sales, okay, and then rank should be decreasing order with the highest total sales rank first. Okay, so who have more sales, that have the highest rank. Who have the less sales, they have the lower rank, okay. So how we have to find? Select employee id. First we have to find the employee. So this, they asked to include the employee id and total sales amount and their rank in the result. So that's why I have written select employee id sum of amount as a total sales. So this amount column is there, we will do sum of amount as a total sales, and then we'll use a rank function over what? So ranking we have to use based on the order by total sales. So that's why we have used order by total amount, okay, not total sales. So total sales is same as a sum of amount. So first what we will do, we will select employee id sum amount as a total sales, then we will do ranking based on order by sum of amount as decreasing as a sales rank from sales group by employee id. So whatever the employee id we have, we will do the grouping based on that, okay. So this is simple, we have to find based on that. So now we can include more things like we wanted first highest first like top two employee, or highest employee, or highest employee whose average is greater than the department average, or whose total sales is greater than the department average sales, something like that. We can include more questions and you can solve the problem by yourself also. So we will see more problems in the upcoming video for different interview companies interview, whatever they ask in the sequel, okay. So thank you, thanks for watching.